Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Twitter and ensuring you have the account you want to switch to accessible. This avoids interruptions. Once done, tap your profile icon or More menu on Web to reveal account controls. If you're not signed into the target account, choose Add an existing account and enter its username and password. This saves you from signing out. Make sure two-factor authentication is available. Having it set up prevents lockouts and speeds verification when you swap users. Now you perform the core action, switching or adding. If the account exists on this device, use the account picker at the top of the menu and tap the desired handle to switch instantly. If adding, enter credentials and complete any 2FA flow. This is why you prepared earlier. Once authenticated, Twitter syncs timelines and settings for that user. Keep an eye on confirmations. If prompted to save login info, choose based on whether others use the device. Finish by confirming you're on the correct user. Check handle, profile image, and recent tweets. If you need to sign out, go Settings and Privacy, then Account and choose Logout. This clears local session cleanly. If the switch fails, don't panic. Reset the password for the target account or clear the app cache and attempt adding again, since stale data often blocks login. Finally, make sure notifications and permissions are as you prefer, so you don't miss messages from the active user.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.